To fix a Linksys Wi-Fi extender blinking orange issue, start by understanding what the blinking orange light indicates. The blinking orange light on a Linksys Wi-Fi extender typically signifies a connection problem, firmware issue, or hardware malfunction. First, restart your Linksys Wi-Fi extender by unplugging it from the power source, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step often resolves connectivity issues. Next, check the placement of your Wi-Fi extender. Ensure it is positioned in a central location, away from walls and obstacles, to improve the signal strength. Also, verify that the Wi-Fi extender is properly connected to your router and the power source. If the issue persists, try resetting the Linksys Wi-Fi extender to its factory settings. This can usually be done by pressing and holding the reset button on the back of the device for 10 seconds. Be aware that resetting will erase any customized settings, so you will need to reconfigure the device after the reset. Another potential solution is to update the firmware of your Linksys Wi-Fi extender. Check the manufacturer's website for any available firmware updates and follow the provided instructions to install the update. In some cases, the blinking orange light may indicate a problem with the physical connection between the Wi-Fi extender and the router. Inspect the Ethernet cable for any damage and ensure it is securely connected to both devices. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider contacting the manufacturer's support team for further assistance or to inquire about possible hardware malfunctions. By following these steps and troubleshooting methods, you should be able to fix the Linksys Wi-Fi extender blinking orange issue and restore a stable internet connection.